QQ 5-day moving average. These are contextual clues. And thereafter, we managed to find the liquidity wedge here at 318. I said, do you see the magenta and pink wedge? Magenta and pink, absolutely right there. Look, at 318, which was about here, you could already know where this is going because you have the algorithms penny perfect and helping you to plan what's your next setup. And in this case, there was just absolutely no setup because we already saw the wedge. So if it's not breaking out of the wedge, there is absolutely no trade. You cannot be taking a final 10 minutes trade in the wedge, because you just don't have the runway in order to close the strikes or get into the money. That's the beauty of trading 0-day to expiry options. You need something to get into the strike in the final 10 minutes in order for you to have the accelerated profits. So once you identify the wedge, no trade. This was an easy decision that was made 40 minutes before the market closed. So you have to understand. It was here, I think. You have to understand how to be planning ahead using the algorithms and structure to plan ahead, and just take a look for yourself. It's penny perfect. So what's your excuse if you are not able to plan a trade ahead? This was beautiful. Now, there are so many clues here that I want to talk about for what to prepare for ahead. Now, if we remain